In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get CSGOROLL promo code for 2023. So let's get started. So now you might be wondering whether when you go on this website and start using its features, can you get any free stuff? Well, yes, you can. So for that, you'll have to go to Google and type in the following thing which I've typed: CSGOROLL promo code 2023. You can even write the month, so 2023 August, and then hit on go. So once that is done, you're gonna see this website right here which says newsdirect.com. So I'm gonna click on this website. Okay, so once that is done, I'm gonna scroll down and go, and as you guys can see, here are the codes, list of CSGOROLL codes. Okay, so some of them are CR30, Radar 5, UK CSGO. So these are a few ones, but the most popular one is the CR100. Okay, so as you guys can see, CR100 right here, so that's the most popular one. So now, how do you claim it? How do you possibly go and input this code so you can get your stuff? Well, to do that, the steps are written right here. So as it says, you have to first create your account, then you'll have to click on rewards, and then you'll have to enter the promo code, which is CR100, or you can use any of these codes. Once that is done, you just have to hit claim, and the rewards will be onto your account. So that's how you claim codes for CSGO. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.